No voices, no videos, no profile pictures, and you will earn about $100 to $300 weekly and approximately $1,000 to $3,000 monthly just chatting and having conversations with people. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a chat platform where you can make money as a chat operator, just chatting with Americans. So let's get onto this platform and see all the benefits that we can get from it. First, what will you be chatting about? Obviously, you're just going to be chatting about any topic at all. It could be anything about sports, nature, relationships, or whatever topic the person you are chatting with wants to discuss. If you do not feel comfortable with any of the topics, you can opt out of the conversation and chat about something that you are most comfortable discussing. On the platform, it is said that you are 100% anonymous. You don't need to show your face, it's just text only, just chat only. No voice, no video, no profile picture. All you need to do is text and chat. So, if you are someone who loves chatting with people, why not convert that into making about $1,000 to $3,000 USD monthly? Now, what would be your salary expectation? It is written here that you can earn between $100 and $300 weekly, and some of the top agents make more than $3,000 a month. This depends on the number of hours you are able to work each day. For week 1 as a chat operator, you will need some time to learn the system and understand what you will chat about. Because you're just getting started, you can work between 15 to 20 total hours per week, responding to an average of 25 to 35 messages per hour. You will earn between $110 to $170 per week, which will be paid into your account. For week 2, it is expected that you've gained more experience on this platform and that you are a bit faster now. When you respond to about 35 to 45 messages on average per hour and work between 20 to 30 total hours, you can earn about $220 to $280 USD paid out per week. By week 4 and beyond, you must have become an expert. You can now work or respond to about 45 to 60 messages on average per hour and can work around 20 to 40 total hours, earning about $340 and above per week. Let's go over the benefits of working with this platform. First, there are bonuses. You can earn more bonuses when you work during peak hours, for instance, late night shifts or very early morning shifts. You can also earn bonuses when you work during holidays, and when you refer a friend, you can earn a bonus from that too. It is very rewarding. Another benefit is that it is very flexible. You can work from anywhere around the world. You do not need to necessarily be in the United States to work on this platform. Another perk is that payout is weekly. Every week you get paid the money you've earned depending on the hours you were able to work on this platform. Now, what are the basic requirements to become a chat operator? One requirement is that you must know how to chat in English. You must have good command of the English language. You will be chatting with people in English, so this is crucial. Additionally, you need to be at least 18 years old. If you're not up to 18 years, you will not be allowed to work as an independent contractor because in the United States, there is a law that requires you to be 18 and above. Do not try to bypass this, as you will go through a verification process where you will submit your documents, either a passport or a driver's license, to verify your identity. They need to ensure that the name you registered matches the name in the verification documents. You are also going to be responsible for your equipment. You must have a computer or a laptop that you will use to work. Another requirement is that to remain on the platform, you must meet a minimum number of messages per week. If you do not meet that number, you may be removed from the platform and will no longer be an active operator. So, what is the registration process? This platform is remotely4u.com. I have included the link in my description. Just click on it, and it will take you straight to the platform where you can start your registration process. When you click on the link, it will take you to a page where you will see an Apply Now button. You will need to fill out your details, your first name, last name, email, and agree to the privacy policy. You also need to confirm that you are 18 and above before sending in your application. The application process is straightforward. You just click on Apply Now, fill out your details, and submit it. The second stage will be the ID verification. They will require you to submit your ID for verification to ensure that you are indeed 18 years old and to confirm that the name you provided matches the name they will be paying. After that, the third step in the process is online training. You will undergo some online training on how to respond to chats and complete your tasks efficiently. That's it. After the training, you will be ready to start earning money online as a chat operator. It is just that simple. You can get onto this platform and start earning yourself some cool cash. I hope this information is worth your time. Let me know when you start the process, and if you encounter any issues, please put them in the comments section. I'll be glad to help out, either by creating a video or assisting you in any way I can. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you find this valuable. Thank you for watching.